In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to save money on your Performance Max ads. These optimizations can save you at least 5% of your budget by preventing ads from showing in ineffective placements. I audit many Google Ads accounts and often see even established mid-sized businesses missing these simple tricks. Hi, I'm Andrey with Audit Marketing, where I help e-commerce businesses run Google Ads. Let's start with negative keywords. These prevent your ads from appearing in irrelevant searches, saving your budget. In Performance Max, negative keywords are managed at the account level. Navigate to Admin, then Account Settings, select Negative Keywords, and click the plus button. Add your desired negative keywords, one per line, as either words or phrases. For example, if you don't want your ads showing for searches including cheap, simply add cheap as a negative keyword. While Performance Max can extend your reach to mobile apps, they rarely lead to sales. To stop your ads from showing in apps, go to Tools and select Content Suitability. Scroll down to Excluded Placements and App Categories. Check every box under Box Sections to comprehensively block all mobile app placements. Performance Max may also place your ads on undesirable websites or videos. To identify and exclude these, run a Performance Max campaign placement report by going to Campaigns, then Insights and Reports, and finally Report Editor. Analyze the report, for example, over the last 30 days to pinpoint websites where you don't want your ads to appear. Let's say ebay.co.uk is one such site. Copy the URL, head back to Tools, Content Suitability, Excluded Placements, paste the URL into the Excluded Placements field, and select the corresponding website from the list. You can also enter multiple websites or YouTube URLs. For your convenience, I've compiled a list of over 9,000 junk websites and YouTube Kids videos. Download it from the link below, then copy the entire URL column and paste it directly to the Excluded Placements field. Finally, protect your brand and budget by blocking your ads from appearing next to sensitive content and irrelevant themes. In the Content Suitability view, open the Excluded Sensitive Content section and check all the boxes. Open the Excluded Types and Labels view and check the boxes in the right column. Finally, open the Excluded Content Themes and check all the boxes there. By taking these steps, expect to save at least 5% of your budget, if not more, by avoiding spending on places where your ads don't work well. There you are. Thank you and have a great day.